Hey, wanna know some insider info?
Sure. But either the Goldman Sachs only gets the insider info?
Yeah, they do, but I have something you can bet the farm on that I got from a trader at the Goldman Sachs. I'm blowing the whistle on the JP Morg.
A sure thing?
Yup, listen closely. The Fed has been using the JP Morg as its proxy for flooding the silver market with unbacked naked short orders.
Back the train up. What's a naked short order, and why should I care?
A naked short order is when the JP Morg borrows silver they never had and sells it on the open markets.
So, the JP Morgan is selling silver they don't have. Big deal. Doesn't this happen every day?
Sure it does, but listen closely. Can you run with your pants down?
No.
The JP Morg's pants are down right around their ankles right now, and they are trying to run a marathon.
I don't understand.
For a while now, the fraudulent Ben Bernanke of the Federal Reserve and the J. Diamond of the JP Morgan have been collaborating together to make billions in the silver market.
Is the Ben Bernanke and Diamond married?
Yes, but not as homosexuals. It's worse than that, they are married to skin the sheeple again.
What a sheeple.
People that invest like sheep. They usually get slaughtered.
I see.
The Ben Bernanke uses the JP Morgan as its proxy to short the silver markets for obvious reasons.
I'm stupid, it's not obvious to me.
Were you dropped on your head as a baby?
No.
Nothing can be worse than a rising silver price to the Ben Bernanke.
Why?
The higher the silver goes, the more worthless the paper fiat money is that the Ben Bernanke prints for free.
The Ben Bernanke prints money for free?
Yes. The Federal Reserve Act was signed on Christmas Eve while everyone was waiting for Santa Claus.
Who cares, it's still part of the federal government.
The Federal and Federal Reserve is no more federal than the shipping company Federal Express.
What's this have to do with silver?
The Ben Bernanke's worst enemy is a rising silver price. It makes his worthless pieces of paper called legal tender Federal Reserve notes less valuable.
When can I make money? I'm getting bored here.
Hold on sheep, I'm getting there. When the Ben Bernanke Fed needs to keep the price of silver down, he calls his marriage partner J. Diamond at the JP Morg and gives him some paper. The JP Morg then uses this paper to short the silver market when the Ben Bernanke gets paranoid.
This seems like Disneyland.
Hold on sheep, the punchlines are coming.
Good, I'm bored.
The 5,000-year historical gold to silver ratio is 16 to 1. Gold is now at $1,400 an ounce. What should silver be trading at?
Let me think. Somewhere around $80 methinks.
Silver is trading at $25 right now.
I am interested now.
Now listen to me closely, here is the punchline. The JP Morgan is short over 40% of the net contracts. But they aren't short the physical silver bars and coins. They are short the paper contracts. If they had to buy and cover their naked short contracts in the open market, it would take 3 months in a normal flat-priced market to do so.
So what happens when people find out they have been the Ben Bernanke's proxy and start buying silver to revert back to the 16 to 1 ratio?
Well, you can't run with your pants around your ankles, right?
No? Is this a big deal?
This is the biggest deal since the November General Motors IPO.
I am not bored anymore.
I haven't even told you anything yet. They hold the physical silver bars in London and have been leasing them out.
Can I lease them?
No, you are a sheep. The open interest activity as of the fall of 2010 has been indicating there is no silver at the COMEX, and it's getting very low because the smart money is withdrawing the silver at an alarming rate.
I'm connecting the dots now.
Here is the insider info. There is a group of traders in London that are going to start to accumulate and buy silver contracts.
Won't the Ben Bernanke just give more fake money to the JP Morgan to short?
They can't. The JP Morgan is under investigation by the CFTC and has been sued with class action lawsuits for silver manipulation.
I'm not bored anymore.
The JP Morgan recently called his friends at the CME because silver prices were skyrocketing to $29, which was 30-year highs.
What did the JP Morgan tell them?
They told them to raise the margin requirements by 30%.
I feel like I'm in Disneyland.
This stopped the price of silver immediately and retracted 10% in 2 hours.
How serious is this problem?
Well, let me explain what will happen. COMEX default generates a short squeeze, then physical silver spot prices jumps dramatically. Pick any multiple. Major banks, hedge funds who had naked short positions will be killed. Losses will be in the tens of billions and possibly trillions. Ability to purchase physical silver will be extremely difficult, if not impossible. Banks or countries may be forced to start hoarding physical silver.
The shit will hit the fan?
This will make the 2008 financial crises look like a cakewalk.
Am I dreaming?
No.
So let me get this straight. The JP Morgan is short more paper contracts than actually physical silver ounces in existence?
Yes.
The Asians are figuring this out?
Yes.
Once they start buying, the JP Morgan will have to start buying back?
Yes.
Once the JP Morgan starts buying back and pushing the price higher, people will run on the COMEX and demand their physical silver?
Yes.
When they have a run on the COMEX and figure out there is not any silver, their shit will hit the fan?
Diarrhea.
So when the sheep's faces is smeared on their faces, this will be bad?
Extremely.
Can this bankrupt all currencies in a matter of months?
Haze.
What is the probability of this actually happening?
It's already happening. The tipping point is near. Do you want to bankrupt the JP Morgan?
Yes.
Start buying silver coins and bars.
Can I buy the SLV Silver Exchange Traded Fund on the New York Stock Exchange?
No. Guess who the custodian is for that ETF?
Your mother?
The JP Morgan.
You have to be kidding me?
Buy as much physical silver as you can.
I feel like the JP Morgan is balls deep in this one.
That's what she said.
On a scale of 1 to 10. How does this rank in regards to the biggest financial fraud cases?
This is the biggest scam in the history of monetary civilization. Is this enough insider info for you?
I'm about to have a spastic colon.
Start by looking at www.silvergoldsilver.com.
What?
You can buy quality silver at silvergoldsilver.com.
I love you. Is this video about to go viral on the internet?
Yes, but that's not the good news. If silver reverts back to its historical ratio, and it will, and the JP Morgan gets squeezed, silver is projected to hit $500 an ounce.
I think I just shit my pants.
Go buy a silver coin and bankrupt the JP Morgan. The campaign has already begun. Get it while it's cheap.
I think I shit my pants again. $500 an ounce? What was the website again?
www.silvergoldsilver.com.